recording live right here, right now for you, Herring Auto Mall. Today we got this 1995 Dodge Ram 1500. It's a V8. It's got a 5.9 V8. Magnum Daddy. As you can see, it's 1950, and that's its greatest selling point. 1950. Now it just got this crazy custom fresh paint job because this front clip part, it was purple before. And it was just a crude spray paint job. It was crudely painted purple. I don't know, I guess the guy liked it. So now it's crudely painted white to match. Who cares? The truck's 1950. It's a V8. It's a long bed, 2-wheel drive. It's got cold air conditioner, cold AC. It has cold air conditioner. It blows. It works. The air conditioner. Radio works. It's everything you need, nothing you don't. Moving inside, interior is as you would expect for 1950. Seat is a little bit worn, but it's mostly, you know, everything you need is here. You can see these older Dodge Rams all have problems with their dashboards. This truck is no different, but it'll do what you need it to. A to B, work truck, hauling stuff around. This is it. Another little kicker about this truck, you gotta put it in neutral for it to start. Starts right up every time. AC is bumping already. That'll be cold in just a second. No smoking, no knocking, no ticking. Exhaust is a little bit loud. The muffler has been cut off, but this thing runs good. It drives good. It's got damn good tires on it. It's 1950. It's 1950. It's 1950. Herring Auto Mall. Come on down. Be the one to drive this truck home. If you picture yourself in this seat right here, call or text me at 813-440-7769. Online at herringautomall.com. You can always find me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Herring Auto Mall. Quick little test drive for you. It's 1950. Headliner, seen better days. It's 1950. And it's hot outside here in beautiful Tampa, Florida. But this truck has air conditioner. For 1950. The miles don't matter, but it's got 226,000 of them. It runs good, it drives good, it has cold AC. It's a truck. Traffic is kind of bad, but we'll have our moment soon. There you have it. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Herring Auto Mall, 813-440-7769. Inventory is always online at herringautomall.com/inventory. Find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Herring Auto Mall. Email me at herringautomall@gmail.com. 1950 plus tax, tag, and title, of course, if you need to do all that. But come get it, somebody. It won't last long. Good running truck. Till next time.